Dikit na dikit talagang ano siya. Nilips to lips niya. May bull din pala dito eh. Red Bull.
May bull ka rin naman ah. Ang galing. Galing ng pagkakaayos. Sa tingin ko right turn dapat. Dead.
Hindi, pwede.
11:30. Maayos talaga. Panalo. Si Paul!
Dito ba yung kontrata dito?
Si Paul!
Si Paula.
Ayun o.
Si Paula may girlfriend na tol? Ha?
Ganun talaga. Oh? Madadaan.
Ang sinabihan ng in-laws niya.
Pinalayas.
Ano, kasama yung in-laws niya.
Oh.
Parang in-laws niya. Dito rin pala masarap tumambay, no?
Oo.
Yan sa loob gitna.
Mhm.
Namimiss mo ng bundok tol, ha?
Ang ganda. Grabe. Maganda itong Washington na to.
Mas maganda sa ano, no?
Oh. Mas gusto ko to kaysa sa
Sa New York.
Sa New York.
Oo. Hindi kasi crowded.
Oo. Linis tignan.
Persimmons pa.
Police.
Isipin mo, no? Ang dami ng building. Puno kaya itong mga to.
Puno yan. Sigurado.
Yung mga businesses na yan.
Oo. Puno yan.
Kasi karamihan din mga apartment na yan na to. No?
Apartment.
Mga single na ano.
Ayun.
Alam nila kuya kung saan yung parking eh. Di ba?
Start telling mommy. Mommy, here's the problem.
What?
Ito, hotel din to.
Again.
Halagang hotel. Oh.
Yes.
Ayun, hotel nyo.
Ay, naglalakad na sila. Yan eh. Hanap na lang siguro ng parking. Yan eh, okay, taas na.
Parang ano din pala sa Queens, yung sa London, mami, ano na yun? Ang bahay ng Queen. Nakatulog na eh. Halika na baby.
Ayos eh.
Baka dito magkano si Kuya ng parking. No.
Mm.
Dito sa gilid. Dito yung parking to.
Lafayette Building.
Along the way. Dito tayo ganyan.
Motion Picture Association. Ay, oo, maganda talaga.
Yan ang hindi ko rakot.
Kasi tol, private yun. Pinagawa ni Ayala.
Kaya dapat lahat private niya lang para hindi ko rakot.
Naman.
Kapag nakahanap tayo ng parking, maglalakad kaya si tatay lang ako hanggang doon.
Good luck.
At ito,
Oh, ito.
ito pala yung shortcut niya.
May ikon na oh.
Yan. Empire State.
Mainit pala dito sa lugar na to. Ang taas ng araw.
Timing lang siguro.
Timing yan. Kasi maraming bisita pa. Ayun, doon sa loob oh. Madaming parking. Ha? Oo, pay parking naman talaga. Kasi kahit sa labas pay parking yan eh.
Sa labas.
Almost not hold it anymore. I can almost not hold it anymore.
Do you want to pee in the bottle? Pwede ba siya?
Magpupok daw.
Ah, po.
No.
Poop or wee-wee?
Why are you talking so slow? Oh, at least. Like inside.
Pay to park at all times.
Sige.
Walang handbrake, no? Oh,
Sa California. Sa Hollywood.
wala tayo siguro dito. Hindi. I mean, pagka tatawid siya.
Ito pa kuya. Kapalang report. Hindi yan kailangan.
Go!
Welcome to Maryland!
Welcome to Maryland!
Maryland!
Welcome!
Si Tanay. Ay, sir, si Tanay.
Ano na naman yung chismis mo dyan?
Ano ka na?
Wee! Okay, may malalaking food court na naman dito, guys. So, ang daming pagpipilian. Pag pumunta tayo dito, guys, hindi kayo magugutom. You don't need to worry anything. Kasi, ayan merong Burger King. You see that? Burger King? May Cinnabon. Bango ng Cinnabon. And then may Auntie Ann. May Popeye. And then ano to? Parang masarap to Carlos Big Shop. Panda Express. Organic coffee. Uy, masarap yan Okay? And then, that's it. That's it, pusit. Ayun yung Burger King. I'm gonna show it to you the Burger King. Burger King. So mukhang ito ang aking susubukan, which is organic coffee. Ay. Plain croissant, $4. Order right now.
Yes, 2 latte regular and single origin large. Do you have decaf? Decaffeinated?
What is it?
Decaffeinated for single origin, do you have it?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Decaf Americano, latte or cappuccino.
no,
That's it.
that's single origin is fine.
Is regular coffee?
Regular, yeah. Sorry, make it large for single origin. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try single origin large. Okay, guys. Kay nanay at tatay. Yan. Okay. And then, kuha ko ng sugar. I think, I'm not sure kung ilang sugar sila. Then this one is cane sugar. Depende kung anong gusto nila. And then this one is for the raw cane sugar. Okay, I think that's it. I don't know kung ano tayong okay. And then nope. This is to go. This is for to go. So, wala yung to go nila. Lagyan lang ganyan. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. And then, I think that's it. Sugar. Yeah. Kuha ko nito. Parang may pang ano. And then, that's it. Alright. Perfect. Great major. Yes! Kain time! Wow!
So good.
Good.
Kapit talaga si boss.
Dito kami kakain sa May 5-man welcome center. So parang ito yung food court nila after ng gasoline station doon. Hello, Ate Summer. You say hello, Ate Summer and Ate Rain.
Hello, Ate Summer.
And Ate Rain. Rain! Diba? Say hello, Ate Summer and Ate Rain in German. Okay? Go!
No.
Come on.
I don't want the German.
In Tagalog na lang.
No.
Which one do you want?
English.
Okay, English. Say it in English. Okay.
Hello, Ate Summer. Hello, Ate Rain.
Yes, hello ladies. We're going to? Saan tayo punta? Washington. Bye-bye!
Dapat pala ang third driver tol kasi gusto ko lang yung kunyari yung nature na
Hi! Kaway-kaway! Hello! Kaway-kaway! Hi! Welcome sa Washington DC. Alright, on your left, okay? This is the park. And on the right is also a park. Okay? Ayan. At saka yan yung kay... Yes.
Muna tayo nagpunta rito tatay nila yung mulat. Powerful in the sharpened and two-edged sword. Kaya Panginoon, sa oras nito, salamat sa divine healing.